All right, so I am not a bartender at all, but I'm gonna make you an old-fashioned Davey Jones style. You're gonna rate it. So let's go. Let's get into it right now. Let's do this. We got our glass, because I know you like the big glass. Let's go. I got my ice right here. Let's go. Damn, baby. Let's go. So what we're using here is a Woodford Reserve. This is a Kentucky straight rye whiskey right now. It's not clarified, but it's a big ice cube. This is how we do this. Right there. All right. Hold on. We're not done yet.
Why would you do that?
We got our bitters. Oh, you're going to be drinking this.
What the hell is that?
Yo. We got our bitters here. Let's go. I think they put a little, little splash of soda water in there. Bam. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no soda water.
Yo, you got to always do the little, squirt, squirt. You do squirt, squirt.
It's simple syrup.
Simple, the same thing. So. I got some Luxardo cherries right now. We about to just dollop these things all up in there right there. We got our fresh orange peel. I stole this from, I'm not going to incriminate myself. Got our orange peel like that.
Okay.
Let's go. We about to mix it up with we got the church spoon over here. I'm not done yet. Here we go. The jumbo straw here. Bam. Let's go. So,
All right.
presentation, you gotta rate it.
Okay, well.
And I want the overall taste too.
You guys know how this works. 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste. And we can't do ambiance, so we'll do 0 to 3 on appearance. 0 through 4 is 0 through 4. Nice size glass. I mean, there's 16 Luxardo cherries. Nice size cube, not clarified, but 0 out of 2 will go. The glass is throwing me off. We're gonna go 0.8 first sip out of a straw, which is a first. It's a spicy one. So first sip, 0 through 4, we're gonna go 0.8 again. And then, overall. I mean, I can't drink this whole thing.
Oh, you gotta finish it, man.
No game face. No game face. Might need to wet the ice a little bit.
And it's room temperature too somehow. Even with this giant ice cube, it's still room temperature. I mean, it can't get any better. So we're gonna go 0.5 on overall. That's a 2.1. Lowest score to date in Virginia. Davey Jones. Custom.
Let's go. Right here. Virginia is for Grubbers all day, every day.
Virginia's Grubbers. Cheers.
And cut.